Kasarkar jala ne kasngi ka arphan dai tarik unai tung arja arpho kala shime karai bakanum penjalan shu ke jingkhang dam hake jala kaban kun no shibet ke shiteng senya.
In the review meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, we have taken one important decision. After taking into considerations all inputs we got, be it from the district association as well as from health department, as you all know that the total lockdown we reimposed 2 days back, which is due to end today evening at 12 o'clock, the government has decided not to extend the lockdown tonight from 12 midnight. There will be no more lockdown from the midnight of 29 July 2020. However, in the meeting, we decided that the random testing, will be aggressively conducted in the entire state of Meghalaya. And this decision we taken long time back, I think few days back, where we decided by the government that random testing will be done through the 71 clusters as already informed to all of you. So the testing by antigen test will go on aggressively.